Hello everyone, my name is Linchi. I'm 7 years old. Now I get hiccups. Peppa, Mommy, and Daddy are having breakfast. It is a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and George can't wait to go into the garden to play. Mommy, please, can we go out to play? You can go out to play when you finish your breakfast. George, don't drink the juice too quickly. George drank his juice too quickly and now he has hiccups. Can we get out to play now, Mommy? Not while George hiccups. But George's hiccups have gone, Mommy. Haven't they, George? Oh, what? You can go out to play, but look after George. Peppa and George love playing in the garden. George, I'm going to throw the ball, and then you have to catch it. George, please stop hiccuping. George, George! Now you throw the ball to me and I have to catch it. George! Oh dear, George's hiccups are spoiling the game. George, I know how to cure hiccups. You have to do I say. Rub the top of your head and grip your tummy. Good, your hiccup has gone. Peppa cure for hiccup doesn't seem to work. George, you have done it all wrong. I know a better way to cure hiccups. First, jump up and down 3 times on one leg. Now raise your arm up and down and stick your toe out. And now close your eye and turn around quickly 3 times. Peppa knew cure isn't what other draws you have hiccups. I know the cure hiccups that you piggy give him a shock. George, I'm going to scare you. But you remember it's only a game and it will stop your hiccups. Remember, they just get scary. Peppa, you mustn't play too roughly with George. He's only little. Sorry, Mommy, I was just trying to stop George's hiccups. George's hiccups had gone. He comes at the pigs with true breakfast of George. George, if you drink too quickly, you will get hiccup again. I'm not as little as George. I can drink juice as quickly as I want to. Bye-bye, everyone. Goodbye. Bye. Bye, everyone.